Let's go ahead and do a data import into the data manager. As usual, we'll go ahead and we'll turn on the data manager or invoke that tool. And we're going to make sure that we choose where we have a spreadsheet created from. Now, I do have a spreadsheet that was created from this bolt set, so I'll go ahead and I will import into this area right here. So make sure that you select the node that corresponds to the worksheet or the CSV file containing the data you want to import. If you select a node that does not correspond directly to the modified worksheet or CSV file, the import is going to ignore those changes. So let's go ahead to the toolbar here, and we're going to find our tool where we can import right here. And we'll OK that. And then I'm going to pick the location that I have that, and I'm going to see I have that right there, making sure that I do have the correct type of file. It is an SLLSX file, so I'll make sure that I have that one chosen, and I'll go ahead and choose the file. Now when I open it, I get to double check this here, and I can go ahead and say OK. So it's going to import it into here, and you're going to see that you get a message here that you have this yellow things, which means that is something that was updated. So you will have an opportunity to either accept or reject that. And you'll get a message that's going to indicate the location of log files for accepted and rejected edits from your imported spreadsheet or CSV file. So you can click the link in the message to open the folder. After you accept and reject edits, you can access the log folder in the log file in that folder. I'm going to go ahead and just reject this edit right here. And that's all you have to do. And that kills that off. If you picked accept, then it's going to accept those changes into your file. We'll try one more import where I have a file where I know some changes were made in the materials. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to import this, and I am importing it into the gasket area. I'm going to find that on my desktop, copy of the pipe gasket, and I will OK that. And when I bring that in, you're going to see that these are the materials that have been changed. It's been changed from the SS to the carbon steel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to accept those changes. And you can see all of these have been changed to the carbon steel. So that's how easy it is to import a file where changes have been made and to be able to accept those changes on your data manager.